Monitoring system functions. Hierarchical deployment. In this section, we introduce hierarchical deployment of the monitoring system. First, let's look at the monitoring system architecture, shown in the middle. We see it has multiple interfaces to access the devices. At the bottom of the picture, we see some main functions like management of views, alarms, reports, work orders, and energy efficiency. Next, let's look at hierarchical deployment of the monitoring system. When multiple computer rooms need to be monitored simultaneously, we require a hierarchical deployment of monitoring systems. There are two typical hierarchical deployment architectures, a two-level architecture and a multi-level architecture. The two-level architecture mainly refers to the architecture of the management layer and collection layer. In general, only one centralized monitoring center monitors the equipment. The multi-level architecture refers not only to this monitoring center, but also to the sub-regions as well as the supervisory center of the superior. For example, the headquarters monitoring center in the map can monitor each regional monitoring center, and the monitoring centers monitor data center equipment. The right side expands some abbreviations. The difference between the two-level architecture and multi-level architecture is whether monitoring centers are hierarchical. Now, let's introduce centralized monitoring. Whether it is a two-level architecture or a multi-level architecture, we can manage the data center centrally. For example, in a computer room, there is a data center device such as UPS, battery pack, or sensor. A collector is connected to the server through a switch. The devices in the other same node computer room can also be connected to the server through the switch, and the server is equipped with monitoring software to monitor these devices. The state of different devices can be integrated into the monitoring software so users and engineers can quickly understand the real-time operation status and situation of the computer room. That's all for this section. Thank you.